This stunning Mediterranean estate home is situated on a prime lot within the prestigious Harbor Landing subdivision in West Bradenton. It enjoys expansive views over Palmasola Bay and is just minutes from the beautiful beaches of Anna Maria Island. No expense was spared in creating this waterfront residence. It features an extensive ground floor area with a 4-car garage, exercise room, wine cellar, and fitted storage areas. The main living floors feature a Tuscan-style interior with subtle faux finishes to the walls, leaded glass double-entry doors, stone and hardwood floors, an elevator, plantation shutters, and much more. The luxury cook's kitchen features high-end custom wood cabinets, granite counters, professional appliances, and it's open to the main living room with water views, perfect for entertaining. Expansive water views may also be enjoyed from the terrace, balconies, and most of the rooms. A deeded 40-foot boat dock completes the picture for this year-round home or winter retreat. It's tastefully furnished to complement the architectural details, and furniture is available by separate contract. This waterfront home features almost 4,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. It's offered as a short sale for $950,000. The list price is less than the cost of construction. For more information, contact Carla Raymond at Caldwell Banker Residential Real Estate.